Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing for our Module 2 assessment coming up soon. First problem is going to be using a place value chart. We're going to be trying to determine the missing divisor, or the number that we're dividing by, and we're going to express that as a power of 10, which is also known as an exponent. The first thing we're going to do is label our place value chart. I've already done this here to save time for the video. If you need to pause to help copy this down, please do that now. What we're going to do is we're going to start with 36. In the number 36, we see that there's 3 tens and 6 ones. We're going to be having our quotient or our answer as 36 thousandths. So I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place. We have our decimal point, 0 in the tenths, 3 in the hundredths, and 6 in the thousandths. Well, let's see. We moved the 6 from the ones place to the thousandths place. We shifted over 1, 2, 3 places. When we divide by 1,000, we just move each digit 3 places to the right. So I know that we're dividing by 1,000. I'm going to write that below. You don't have to, but this is going to help us write an exponent. So in order to get exceeding expectations, we need to write this number as an exponent. I know that 1,000 can be expressed as 10 to the power of 3. So my answer would be 36 divided by 10 to the power of 3 equals 36 thousandths. If we want to show the arrows, we can do that here. So let's do the same for B. We have 2,430 divided by a divisor to get 24 and 3 tenths. We're going to start by putting 2,430. I'm going to write it here so we can see. So I'm going to start by writing 2,430 on the top row, and my answer, which is 24 and 3 tenths, in the bottom row. Let's see. I'm going to be looking at the 2 for this one to help me. The 2 started in the thousands place and ended in the tens place. That means we shifted 1, 2 place values to the right. We know that when we divide, we're going to the right, and when we divide by 100, we shift 2 places. So we know that we're going to be dividing by 100. I'm going to write that up here to help us so we can write our exponent. 100, written as an exponent, can be written as 10 to the power of 2. Well, interesting. There's 2 zeros in 100, and we have an exponent here of 2. So 10 to the power of 2 equals 100. If we want to draw the arrows here, we can. And this would be our final answer. So I'm going to put this up here, 10 to the power of 2.